Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to a very, very special episode. As you guys can see, we're out here on the beach. In fact, let me show you on the map real quick exactly where we're at. We're here in Telchac. Okay, so the port of Telchac is just about 15-20 minutes east of here, and we're just about an hour away from Merida. But as you guys can see, look how beautiful all this is out here. So right now it is early Sunday morning. Okay, me and Christian are out here celebrating our wedding anniversary. That's right, a year ago today we got married. So actually, by the time you're watching this, it's gonna be several weeks or days down the line, so you guys can already get an idea as to how we spent our vacation, our little anniversary. But yeah, like I said, on this channel we were going to be doing a lot of traveling, going forward, and we had a lot to show you guys, and this is it. So here right now, as you guys can see, the house we're staying at is over there. I know it's a little hard to see. We're just doing a little bit of a mini vlog because I wanted to show you guys what's going on. But as you guys can see here, look at this. We got water. All right, we got sand. We got more water. See, we're like in the middle of a sand dune here. How cool is that? So yeah, that's why I'm not showing you my face. I want to show you guys what's up over here. And then even the house, we're in the middle. Like the highway is like a kilometer that way. So, we still had to like, it was hard to get in here. You know what I mean? It was hard to get to this house. Hard to get in, hard to get out, but that's okay though. Super secluded. So, out here, we're just enjoying our time off. Basically very little internet, very little communications with the outside world, being all the way out here, and nothing. You know what I mean? We're just out here chilling. So, I wanted to show you guys, because a lot of you guys out here are always asking me about, oh, what are the better beaches, the beaches on Progreso by Merida, or the beaches all the way by Cancun and all this other stuff. So as you guys can see, I'm literally walking in the middle of the ocean here. All right, I got my do I have my, oh no, I left my cell phone back at the house. Good. Because my camera's waterproof, but not here. Check this out. So pretty cool, right? So okay, now I'm sinking here. I'll show you guys. I'm sinking. But yeah, I'm like, we're walking in the middle of a giant sand dune. So I mean, see, I'm literally out here in the middle of the ocean. How awesome is this, huh? Cool, right? So I'm gonna have a few videos coming up, talking about all kinds of things. This video was just, I just wanted to shoot a little bit of a vlog and show you guys, how it is out here. So these are a lot of the vacation homes, or homes that you can own. All right, so all the way down there, I don't know if you can see it, it seems like an apartment type building or a hotel, and then we got homes littered. Okay, and now these homes are very expensive. The land is very expensive for Mexico Merida standards. Okay, but again, you're on the beach. And this is winter, okay? This is the middle of winter right now. So today, again, is January 24th. Yeah, today is January 24th. Our anniversary is tomorrow. It's nice. I'm walking in the water, and sure, it's a little cold, but it's not cold. You know what I mean? Come on, you know what I mean? In comparison to how cold it really is in other parts of the world right now during winter. A lot of Canadian snowbirds, a lot of American snowbirds like to come out here. And still do, you know what I mean, despite all the things that are going on around the world. But again, right now a lot of these homes should be more occupied. There should be a lot more people out here, more tourists, more everything. But as you guys already know, because of the situation that the world is dealing with right now, things are a little bit more difficult. But at the end of the day, tourism is still alive and well. Everyone on the beach is walking around like me. A little while ago, there was some guy walking from house to house yelling, hello, hey, how's it going? Kind of like a regular vendor, you know what I mean? How we're used to already back in Merida and other places. So I went out to go check, and the guy was selling fresh seafood. So I picked up a kilo, okay, a whole kilo of lobster, like literally fresh lobster. I'll see if I can show you in a little bit. In fact, I'm gonna show you right now, right here. So I got this kilo of lobster, okay, for literally 500 pesos, so $25, all right? $25 for fresh lobster, so fresh, so delicious, and I can't wait. We're gonna grill that up later. We got some steaks. We're gonna grill them up on the grill, and that's it. So today's episode, again, guys, you know, I don't know, there's no real rhyme or reason to today's episode. I'm just walking around here at the beach. I want to show you, you know, what you can expect out here. Look at the blue skies, the blue water, the sand dune. You know, we got more water over here. Here, we'll check this out. Let's see how deep this one is. Because look, you see? Oh wow, oh, too deep. Crazy. Oh, a little bit too deep. Oh wow, okay, so this is deep. This is really deep. I was not expecting that to be that deep. You got Christian over there all the way. You can probably barely see her. She's tiny. And she's even tinier now. Bruh. But yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah. I thought I pushed a button there when I was falling in the water there. But man, this is beautiful. It's still early in the morning. It's like 10:30, 10 something in the morning. So, you know, the sun is now starting to come out. It's starting to get nice and hot and warm, as you guys can see. The water is beautiful. Christian hates the cold, and yet oh, hold on, it's a little dirty there. Okay, sorry. Anyways, Christian hates the cold, and yet she's all the way out there. You know what I mean? So, and look at those bright blue, beautiful waters. Now, granted, I'm not, you know, don't get it twisted. You know, obviously, you know what I mean, the beaches towards the Cancun area, the Quintana Roo, Islas Mujeres, all that shit over there, it's even more beautiful. You got the super duper clear blue waters and all that good stuff, you know what I mean, out there. But out here, you know, we're in the Gulf of Mexico. This is literally in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico. In fact, you shoot that way straight, and that's Houston over there. Somewhere over there is like Louisiana, okay? And to just, you know, this is like the Gulf Coast, okay, guys? FYI. So yeah, so today's episode is just gonna be super crazy short. I just really wanted to walk around the beach, show you guys. Look, check out that sand dune. You know, look at the people just sitting on the water, on the beach. You got the kids playing on the sand dune, in the water, all that good stuff. So, you know, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour of the house that we're staying in right now. So let me walk into the house, okay? And then as I walk into the house, you know, we're gonna walk all the way from the front of the house all the way back out here to the beach, okay? So I'll give you a quick little tour of the house, okay? Hey guys, all right, so we're outside of the house right now. So let me just show you real quick. So down that road is very long road. All the way at the end of the road, that's like the main highway. And again, you know, there's like a road out here, but again, the road is made out of sand, as you guys can see. Okay, cool, right? And we got property for sale, we got land, you know, we got, again, land for sale, property for sale, all kinds of things for sale, a lot of homes out here. You know, you can come out here straight to the beach as well, okay? FYI, so the beaches out here are owned by the country of Mexico. So that means that even if you own a beach house, the beach does not belong to you, okay? You know, the land all around it is yours, but not the beach. So you can, so a lot of people out there, either they're here at the beach house, or they can just come, you know, bring their car, park it here somewhere, and that's it. So let me just show you a little bit around the neighborhood, so you guys can get an idea of where I am, and see how things are out here and what the homes are and what they look like out here and all that good stuff. So, you know, there's a nice home here. We got nice plots of land. So again, you know, I already showed you on the map earlier where we are and what's out here and stuff like that. But again, we're like in the middle of nowhere, all right? See, that's some land that could be developed. This is the house that we're staying in at the moment. There's another house, that one's for sale, it seems like. And again, you can just keep going down this road, you know what I mean, and see even more homes. So this is just the front of the home, okay? So to get here, again, it's a pain in the butt, but again, totally worth it, you know what I mean? We're out here in the middle of nowhere. That's the point, you know what I mean? Disconnect. right? Especially with all the crazy things going on. So, all right, without further ado, let me just give you a quick tour of the house. I haven't seen the whole house I haven't even seen the whole house, okay? So, you know, it's gonna be a little bit of a tour for me too, okay? So, all right, let's get into here. Let's get into the house, all right? And let me show you around. This is a very informal... Hey, look who's here. Hey, how's it going, Mr. Gizmo? So yeah, this is a very, very informal look at the house, okay? Because again, I just wanted to show you guys, by the way, there's no price, there's no cost, there's no anything. This is a mutual friend of ours that lives out here, and this is their house, and they were just away, and they know it's our anniversary, so they're like, hey, you want to stay at the beach house? I'm like, fuck yeah, we do, and we're here. So that's it, you know what I mean? There's no price on this, there's no nothing, all right? Because, all right, look, let's go up these stairs here, because I have yet to come up here, and I'm curious as hell. So this is the top of the house. Oh, nice. It's like a deck. Look at this. Wow, look at this. It's a nice view. Then I wish I had my drone. Be perfect to fly my drone out here. Look at that view. Wow, right? Okay, so this is the roof. Nothing much to see here. It's a little wet, you know, from the waters. But anyway, so yeah, pretty cool, huh? This is like the roof. I thought it was gonna be more stuff up here, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I thought there was gonna be something up here. You know, like some chairs or some tables, but it's okay, it's okay, it's just a roof. But I love the stairs, I love the way you can come up here and, you know, do this. Okay, so this is the front of the house, okay? There's just like a little enclave that leads all the way to the beach, okay? That's like the entrance, you know, you can use that. You know, again, these are all fitted and built, custom built, okay, to how you want them, so you can park your car inside or outside. As you guys can see, look at this awesomeness. All right, got a grill. We already used it, made some steaks. Gonna make some lobsters. There's a room in there, so let me show you inside the house. Look at this. Oh yeah, it's no lights. I forgot I turned off all the lights. Oh, whatever, it's okay. I think you guys can see it. Just to show you around. I'm just giving you a quick little look, man, so you can see what a beach house looked like. This is one of the rooms. Okay, see, that's the outside. We just came from there. Nice, huh? You got a bathroom over there. Just a regular bathroom, nothing crazy. But I know I want to show you guys. I know a lot of you guys really want to see things and see everything. That's why I'm just doing giving you guys a little tour and showing you guys around the house, because I know a lot of you guys are really interested in this stuff. Unfortunately, again, I cannot give you a price or any more like info when it comes to that. But just so you guys have an idea, because a lot of you guys are always asking me, hey, can I get my home Americanized here in Mexico? I'm like, fuck yeah, you can. So again, look, here's a regular pantry, okay? We got all kinds of stuff, okay, for all kinds of things, all right? Again, this is just to give you guys an idea of if you rent the place out here, the things that you could expect, you know what I mean, and get, okay? So you got washroom, sink, water, cold water, hot water, okay? All kinds of necessities, all kinds of things you might need. We got the grill outside that I showed you. We got a fully functioning kitchen, okay? So we got a microwave, we got an oven, we got 6 burners, coffee, toaster oven, sink with dirty dishes, refrigerator with all kinds of things, okay? And so on and so forth. We got a little computer desk area. We got this little area here. We got this little area here. We got that area here. Gizmo, hey! He's just pretty proper, sitting there nice and proper, enjoying the beach. And look at this view here. So we just sit here. This morning we were having our coffee, talking, chilling, you know what I mean? She's like, hey, I want to take a dip before we go to the store. Hell yeah, go take a dip. You know what I mean? Take a nice little dip in the pool, in the water. I don't know, I'm gonna get in there later. I just didn't want to right now. Oh, she's already out. So, all right, that was quick. She really want to take a dip. But yeah, you know what I mean? Again, we just hang out here. You know, hang out here. These are the only 2 movies we found that we might watch later. Appropriate. One of them is appropriate, right? To the times. Got a little entertainment center. We got the bedroom. This is where we slept. We got another bathroom. All right. Look at this shower. Check this out. Cool, right? We got that. And now let's go outside. Let me show you outside. So, you know, basically, this is the bed. Waking up here, let me show you. You got the beach right there, the water right there. Look at that. Oh, I gotta open this. It's a two-hand job thing. Okay? Gizmo wants to come out. But anyways, but yeah, you know what I mean? Look at this. Look how awesome this all is out here. It's a beauty. That's for sure. Oh, she wants to put that so we can have, so Gizmo can come out. But yeah, we got a pool here. Look at this awesome pool. We were just on the roof. We got Christian here. And then, yeah, we're gonna set up some barricades here real quick so we can let Gizmo be loose in the backyard for a little bit and enjoy and get some sun as well. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is beyond amazing. And you know, there's already, you can probably not see it, but all the way out there you got people on jet skis, you got sailboats all the way out there. Again, look at the water. We were in there. This is super deep sand dune ocean. Again, Gulf of Mexico, more sand dunes. So cool, so nice, so beautiful. Yeah, you know, so yeah, guys, I mean, today again, I'm gonna keep this super duper short episode. I just wanted to give you guys a little, you know, trip. I mean, a little I wanted to show you guys a little bit about our trip, of our wedding anniversary trip, and I wanted to show you where we were at, what we were doing, and again, show you, okay, a house out here, a typical beach house that you can rent and have and enjoy. You know, we're out here. This is we're gonna be here for another week. We're loving it. You know, it's only our first day, our first morning here, and such a beautiful thing, right? So beautiful. So bright. So, all right, guys, that's it. I just wanted to make a short little video, show you guys around. You already know I got a lot of work to do, and what is my work? Nothing. All right, we're gonna chill out, do absolutely nothing for a few days, disconnect. I'm glad that we don't have any internet or anything like that. I mean, we have internet, but very little, not enough to be watching YouTube videos and watching what's on the news and what's on TV. In fact, you know, we got the perfect scenario and situation to literally turn it all off and just enjoy what we have, enjoy nature, enjoy life a little bit. So with that being said, we're gonna let you guys go so we can sit down, enjoy our coffee right there. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to please like, please subscribe, please share, please hit that bell icon, but more importantly than anything else, please stay awesome. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode, our short little trip, our short little tour. That's the word I was looking for. A short little tour of the house that we're staying at out here in Telchac. So, all right, guys, without further ado, we're gonna get the hell out of here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.